Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm showing you a summer project and you can see here a summer scarf. So this is very simple to do. It's very light. You can see the structure on here. So I'm going to show you also the wool that I used, and it's going to be a really simple project, perfect for beginners as well. So we're going to be doing some trebles and half trebles, and yeah, I used 53 grams for this and I got over 2 meters in size. So yeah, the width is about 15 centimeters, and yeah, it's really nice, it's really loose, perfect for summer. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used and how I did it. So you guys, here is a wool I got from Rico Design, my favorite brand, and yeah, you can see the lovely colors on here. It's for a 4mm hook or needle, and I'll use my 9mm hook this time because I am doing it loosely just so it's nice and loose for the summer. So let's get started right away. We're gonna do some chains and I'm gonna start with 15. Okay, so the 15 are here and that's going to be the width of my scarf. So now I'm going to take 3 more for the height. Then here into the 4th, so into the 1st of the actual width, we're going to do a treble. Then we're going to do a chain, and then we're going to skip 1 chain on the bottom and do another treble here. There we go, again a chain, skip 1 chain on the bottom and do a treble again. Always remember you're doing chains in between each of the trebles you're doing, and that's pretty much it. Okay you guys, I have just 1 treble left to do and 1 chain here on the bottom, and then that's going to be the entire first row. Okay, good. So we're just going to continue right away, 3 for the height, and then you can see here around the chains that we did in the last row between the trebles is where we do a new treble. And of course we're still doing chains in between. So the spots are super easy to find because they're basically the biggest holes that you see on here. Always a treble and then a chain. Just a couple more and then we're done with the second round. Okay, second row done, and yeah, you can see all the colors on here, so that's all that we're gonna get in our scarf, so it's gonna be a really lovely color gradient. Okay, I'm finishing the last one. And then we're done. So you can see how loose this is, and this is exactly what we want for summer. And now, as you can probably already guess, we're just gonna continue the same way. So we're doing 3 chains for the height, and then we're gonna turn. Again, we're gonna be doing trebles and chains through the entire row. So this is a really simple project, great for beginners, and yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. So I'm gonna finish the entire spool and then I'll show you what I have. Okay, you guys, so here I am. This is my last row. I don't have enough for another one. I just have a tiny bit of wool left. So I'm gonna pull that out. And yeah, we're gonna weave this in, of course, as well as the beginning in yellow. So in here I have about 35 grams of wool, so not a lot, but we do have a great result, a really big, a nice size, a big scarf. So what I had in mind when you do a scarf like this is a cooler summer evening or maybe a chillier day, so something that is light, that looks nice, and that serves its purpose as well. But is not warming you too much because we're still doing a summer project. So yeah, I hope you guys like the way this looks. The colors on here are amazing. I think that's my favorite part of this scarf today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. If you'd like to stay updated with our future projects, feel free to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!